Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to review briefly all the videos produced between 2022 and 2025. My name is Musukoro Sidibe. I am environmentalist and passionate about the environment. This review will allow us to have an overview in one single video of everything that have been accomplished. Between 2022 until 2025, 124 videos were produced in French and Pulaar or Fulani. All these videos are available on this channel. For English speakers who would like to watch these videos, they can use the YouTube settings to activate the English subtitles for better understanding. So let's get started. The first video was about the definition and the history of the environment, followed by the reasons behind the creation of the channel. There are the video series in the field of the environment divided into 9 parts, such as ecology, climate change, agroecology, waste management and recycling, natural resource management, renewable energy, environmental education, disaster management and prevention, water management and treatment, environmental law, circular economy, sustainable tourism, and other fields of the environment. Then we talked about the life sciences. These sciences support the field of the environment, even though they existed before the emergence of the environmental science. These sciences are used to assess the impact of the environmental degradation, such as pollution, climate change, and other environmental issues on animals, plants, and humans. Among the life sciences, there are agronomy, biology, botany, ethology, epidemiology, microbiology, human medicine, veterinary medicine, and other life sciences. We also discussed about earth sciences. These sciences support the field of the environment, even though they existed before the emergence of the environmental science. These sciences contributed to assess the negative impact of the environmental degradation, such as pollution, climate change, and other environmental issues, and their effects on soil, water, and air. Among the earth sciences, there are geology, geography, pedology, oceanography, limnology, hydrology, seismology, volcanology, meteorology, and other earth sciences. There are also video collections about the relationship between women and the environment, such as the impact of the climate change on women in the developing and developed countries, the women's roles in the environment, why women are more sensitive to the environmental issues than men according to the studies, the causes and solutions explaining why women are underrepresented in the environmental decision-making position, women who have contributed to the field of the environment. I took the opportunity to talk about the men who contribute to the field of the environment. There are some videos about world and international days, such as International Day for Biological Diversity, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought, World Oceans Day, World Environment Day. There are some proposals for activities to organize during the Environment Fortnight. Additionally, there are videos about plastic waste, like the impact of the plastic waste on animal and plant biodiversity, solution to plastic waste for the preservation of animal and plant biodiversity. There are video collections on floods, like definition of floods, type of floods, human activities that contribute to flooding, solution to flooding, the link between floods and climate change, the impact of floods. There are some videos about the sustainable development, such as the origin and definition of sustainable development, the pillars of sustainable development, the reason why adopting sustainable development in the world. There are videos showing participation in civil society activities, such as festivals, conference, workshops, and interviews, like participation in the Goral Festival on tradition and pastoral economy, participation of the local conference of youth, El Khouy, in Nouakchott in Mauritania. That conference was organized by the GREEN Network, Green Mauritania Youth Network. where I received the trophy for the BREEAM network, because during that period I was a regional delegate for the network in Gorgol region in Mauritania. Participation in the beach cleanup activities organized by the NGO Okata. 9 interviews produced with NGO members, associations, and civil society actors. There are some videos about agroecology public awareness campaign in Mauritania, such as agroecology and environment, agroecology and climate change, agroecology as a sustainable lifestyle. This review is important to understand where we stand and to keep moving forward. Now we reach the end of this video. Follow us for more videos and to support the growth of the channel. Thank you and see you soon.